Hi friends, good morning. This is Dr. Harinath Reddy, Director Shankaran AI Study Circle. Today I want to communicate to you regarding one more book for APPSC Group 1 Mains exam. Most of the students might be aware that yesterday, relating to the state of Andhra Pradesh, budget documents have come, and similarly day before yesterday, Andhra Pradesh socio-economic survey also has come. So in this context, I just want to communicate to you that we have worked on Indian economy paper for APPSC Group 1 Mains exam. Paper 4 deals with economy of both India and Andhra Pradesh. With respect to economy and the development of India, we made 170 quality questions with quality answers, and these questions are sourced from previous APPSC mains exams, civil services mains exams, and also economy optional to the extent relevant to our APPSC Group 1 mains exam. This book is the most updated one, and we have covered questions from the recent union budget and the recent economic survey. Both the union budget and the recent economic survey were thoroughly covered. Union budget 2020-21 and Indian economic survey 2019-20 were thoroughly covered. In addition to this, there was an interim report of the 15th Finance Commission. This report was read in detail, and accordingly the questions are picked up from this report. And in addition to this, even the previous two economic surveys 17, 18, 18, 19 were also looked into to pick relevant topics important for our mains exam. And over and above this, I have also looked into the schemes and programs related to our Indian economy paper from the relevant ministries. For example, Union Ministry of Agriculture. I have read the recent annual report of Agriculture Ministry, and I have picked up questions on the schemes which are mentioned in the annual report. Similarly, other relevant ministries' annual reports were also looked into. In addition to this, relating to current economy, for example, we have witnessed a merger of general budget with the railway budget. How does that help? There was a question on that. And we have done away with the distinction between plan expenditure and non-plan expenditure. Even on that there was a question. And the content was sourced from important editorials from different newspapers. Even the budget was also advanced, and what are the advantages of advancing the budget presentation? Even on that there were questions. Even NK Singh committee has given recommendations on, there was a report on FRBM Act, and NK Singh committee have given recommendations on FRBM. Even this was covered. So this budget, apart from covering the topics as mentioned in the syllabus, it also takes care of the interim report of the 15th Finance Commission, the recent union budget, the recent economic survey, as well as previous economic surveys, and even the relevant annual reports of different ministries which are relevant for our paper. And even relating to current economy, we have very carefully chosen quality information from different newspaper editorials. And this book is readily available. We have made 170 questions out of 7 chapters related to Indian economy, and these questions were arranged chapter wise and topic wise. You can go through them and take benefit out of it. And with respect to Andhra Pradesh economy, we have already done 50 questions based on the developments and schemes after the new government came to power, and we were waiting for the economic survey to come to complete this book, and the economic survey has come. We are going to complete it very soon. Those students who want to have access to the existing questions on AP economy, they can also purchase, but we need some more time for adding the leftover topics from AP economy. Thank you. And you can call on 799 51 508 11. So you can talk to me on the following number 799 51 508 11. Thank you.